Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do guess the voice tip. So here's me right over here. Okay, so let's start. And it's K-pop Demon Hunters, I think. So let's start the first. Okay, I'm really good at this. I know it's for me. Of course, it's a girl. I think it's Abby, but I'm gonna go with Gino. Wait, what? I actually got it right. Is that Zoe or Mira? I know it's not Ruby because for me it doesn't have that sound. I think it's Mira. Oh, no. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see.
A lot more serious than I thought. The Saja boys have gone completely viral after that variety show.
Yeah, that's Bobby. Oh. Okay, anyways. It's baby because everyone been going. Okay, I think that's romance because it's hard. Oh, really? Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean to fling. Actually, I'm gonna add this. Yes, I did it. Okay, did it. That was easy. Yes, I did it. What's wrong? Why can't I play the song? Excuse me, can you please go? What's wrong? No, I think I did the clue. Oh yeah. That all of them were singing. Okay, that's the bird for sure. Wait, I'm not sure. Oh, no. What the? No, I think it's Dino. Oh, I didn't even hear the sound. That's cool.
I see.
Oh. That was easy. The doctor got it. Like,
Nobody can like Mira.
Apparently she's a black. Yes, I did it. I knew it. Why does it give me fling options?
Now, that duty falls to you.
It keeps giving me purchasing. Yes, I knew it.
I'm glad to see the strength.
Hey, we did it. That was easy. That's the tiger. It literally growls. Excuse me. Excuse me, why can't I hear? Okay, whatever. It's that girl. What's wrong? I mean, what's wrong? Like, come on. Okay, that's Mira. Now, who's
Here, free one. Go find yourself a better boy. This one's hopeless.
she literally has the bracelet, so. Yep. Okay. Okay, well, I don't know what to say. Every time I let you in. Okay, whatever. I seem very bad. I'll be your idol. It's your idol, guys. I think it's this. Yeah, that one. Because someone just screamed that. Yeah, it's takedown. I know it. And she just collapsed. Fire out. What's wrong? It's ruining Santa. What's wrong with this game? Okay, let's play this out. Okay, I guess. What? I mean, what's wrong with that? Okay, I guess. Not that one either. I mean, like, okay, we got an obby. Blue. And, okay. You don't need to fling people. I think this one. I died. No. Oh, something happened. I don't know what happened. Oh. I died again. How? Like how, guys? Tell me. Something. What? What? I tried this Squid Game way. I don't know. Okay. No! What happened? I don't really know what happened, but something happened. I don't like what's happening. Okay. And what is happening? Like, why is it not easy? I'm so good at obbies and all. What's happening? Okay, this time I have it. This person's covering me. Okay. This person's following me. Okay. Okay. Jump. Okay. Now jump. Oh, no, how? How, guys? How? Just when I'm getting so close. You made it to the finish. Okay, so I'm coming downstairs, I guess. Whew, whew, whew. Okay, whew. Oh. Finish 4 birds. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time. Bye.